Good morning, happy Tuesday everyone. It is Tuesday, isn't it? I think. Let me just find my lighting because the lighting's no good that way. So, actually guys, so this is going to be just a quick relaxed vlog showing a bit of our daily routine as a family of three and with our little baby. So the last vlog we had was a brownout. I'm happy to say that there's no brownout today, which is great. In fact, it's been so hot and sunny here the last week or so, and I can't remember how long ago it was that we actually had the rain and the brownout. It just seems to be sun, 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 heat, 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 and no respite with just a little bit of rain. Just a teeny weeny little bit of rain would be nice, but even that's not happening at the moment, and it's rainy season, so I don't know why. And let's go outside. So you can probably hear that music coming from across the way. Somebody's playing music, and it's only what just after 9 a.m. in the morning. Ow, my slippers are very hot because they're in direct sunlight. And it's after 9 a.m. in the morning, and we've got loud music playing from across the way. And I'm not complaining about that, because you know, if you live in the Philippines, you should be used to that by now. So there's no point on complaining about it. Sometimes there are some days in the province where everything is peaceful. Like yesterday morning, there wasn't a sound. Even the goats and the roosters were on strike or something, because there was just a very noticeable silence, and that's okay. But today it's a bit more loud with the music. Nanai there is feeding the baby. And hello. What's the Sudan for today? Ista. Ah, let's see. What do we call that, Ista?
Bukaw, because it has a bukaw mata.
Ah, bukaw.
Because it has big eyes.
Big eyes. I have big eyes when I wear my glasses.
So you're also called bukaw.
Call me bukaw, guys, because I have big eyes when I wear my glasses. Yeah.
We call people or a person with big eyes bukaw.
Oh, well, I'm insulted. I'm going home now. I'm away. I'm away. They're saying I have big eyes. Not only that, they also have a saying here about the runway, right? With the calvo. If you have I have a big head, so I have a runway on my head. Is that right?
Airport.
An airport on my head. I've got an airport on my head, so it's a good landing strip. So anyone wants to land a plane, just look out for me. I'm in Guimaras, and you'll not miss me because I'm like the only foreigner here. Anyway, Nai, ¿cómo está? Mayo man. Ah, he's enjoying his milk. They call it. Actually, there's two words for milk here. Is there two words for milk? One is gatas, which is just like any kind of milk, and then the other word for milk, for baby milk, is didi. Is that right? Yeah. You looked at me as if I was being strange there, so yeah, that's right. That is right. So this is the dirty kitchen, guys. In fact, we don't really do much cooking in our own house anymore. All the cooking is just done out here, and it's probably more healthier to cook in kind of like this style, isn't it?
You know the flavor of the food when you cook it in traditional way or fire like this, charcoal or woods is different compared to electricity or gas.
Yeah. And not only that, but it kind of saves money on electricity. But also during a brownout, it comes in handy, doesn't it? So that even if you don't have the option of cooking using electricity, you can resort to the old tried and tested method of fire and wood and charcoal and whatnot.
Lighter mo.
Lighter. And so I'm gonna try to learn. I've been here for 3 years, so I need to level up in video game terms. I need to go up a level to like level 10 province cooking. What?
The ano na bala, like if you eat a lot of food, you are
Besog?
the
No. Oh.
It's a sin na mo.
Asin.
Sin.
Sin. Oh, gluttony.
Oo, gluttony.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna burn this cardboard?
Oo, you do it.
Me?
You make fire.
I make fire, guys. I Stone Age man. I make fire. Being like a caveman. Let's make fire for the first time, guys. Make sure the baby's not near the smoke. The aso, that's the word for smoke here. Aso. What could possibly go wrong? Try not to burn yourself, Dean. Please. We don't want to go to A&E or anything like that.
Then, you know how to use lighter?
Of course.
Oh.
Okay. Maybe I don't know how to use a lighter, guys.
You serious?
That,
Ah. Is it burned? No, not yet.
Wait lang.
Oh.
Wait lang.
If in doubt, let your wife burn it and then you just put it in. It's getting very smelly.
That na lang, hold.
Oh, right. You can smell the burning. Right. Keep holding it.
Wait lang.
Just like that.
Slowly lang.
Okay. Like that, yeah. Oh, it's getting very fiery now. Okay, so Tina makes fire. I push cardboard in. We wait, and then we cook. Diba? Guys, it is so smoky. You have to sort of stand at a different angle so that you don't inhale the smoke and all the chemicals that that might be absorbed into your mouth through the with just like that.
Grab on the tail.
The tail. Sige. Okay, guys. So I've got my Ista, and I'll put it here. Just Take two, guys. Like that. Okay, there we are. Next one. Next, please. Nextly hog. Ow. Okay, next one. Next fish.
Faster.
Faster, guys. Sorry. Can we get another one on there, do you think?
Like, no, that's all.
That's all for now. Woo! I know you shouldn't play with your food, but woo! Fishy, fishy, fishy! Sorry. So guys, we've already flipped the first fish. We forgot about the GoPro because Tina was filming a short for Facebook, so we're just flipping them over and let's show you that. Oh, it's stuck. Oh! Right. There we are. Mission accomplished for the first flipping. Diba? How's that looking? I think that's looking good if I say so myself. What do you think, babe?
Okay lang.
Yeah. Okay, Lang, that's all I get. Okay, Lang. Joke, Lang. But yeah, actually, so we have the dirty kitchen out here, which belongs to Mendola, and then we have this part of the dirty kitchen, which is where you can wash the wash all the plates and all that kind of stuff, which is, it's really good. I think it's better to have that kind of thing outside rather than inside, because it's very hot inside the house, whereas outside it's okay then. So we'll keep an eye on the Ista, and it's looking good so far. Tina's just giving me a lesson on how to flip properly, guys, so that I can
Side,
yeah.
and then flip. Okay.
Okay. So I'm a slow learner, but because I've recorded that on video, I can watch it back each time and be like, yes, that's how you flip the fish.
Yan, like that.
Okay. So that's the fish flipped to the other side this time. So Tina, how many times do we have to flip the fish? Just
It depends.
It depends. Okay.
How long it will be cooked.
Okay. So that's just me trying to keep the conversation going in the vlog, guys. Asking a silly question like that, of course, just when it's cooked, duh.
You're making yourself ano ba in the vlog?
I'm making myself what?
Silly.
Oh. That's the point.
There's a point.
That's the point. We have to have some silliness in the vlog, don't we, guys? What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc?
What's up, Doc?
Okay.
You grab here.
The middle one? Okay. Oh.
Pasta.
Okay. The other ones as well? Okay, this one?
In the middle.
In the middle.
Not there.
Not here.
There. How did I?
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.
It's burning. Yan.
Okay. There we go. Mayo good. Mayo good.
Full na eh.
Oh, full split.
Oo.
Okay. So we'll get some more oling, guys. We'll get some more oling, some charcoal. Now where is the charcoal? Ah, here it is.
You can. Faster.
Always faster.
Of course. Time is fast.
Look at the size of that. I now look like I've been working in a coal mine. Okay, so then what do I do?
Just put it there on the side.
In here?
Oo.
Pour it in?
Not there.
Oh, here?
Just, oo.
Ah,
Yan.
okay. Wait.
Wash your hand.
I'll use that tub over there. Alright.
Okay. Itaon ka pa dad.
Wet hands, guys. Filipino style. You don't need a towel to dry your hands, just use your shirt. Oh. Ah, he's stuck. No, he's not. There is our Ista, guys. Our
Bukaw.
Bukaw. Oh, so there we are. That's how you. Oh, there's more. There's more. Well, we'll not show you any more of that because we have to cook more. So.
Okay. Just ano na lang grill and then we'll finish it later.
Yeah. Look at the fire that we've got going now, guys. Big fire. Well guys, we have successfully cooked ista, and what's the name again?
Bukao bukao.
We have successfully cooked bukao bukao, my first time cooking bukao bukao in the dirty kitchen. So, Tina, 10 out of 10 or not?
10 out of 10? 5.
5 out of 10. Okay. So I'm a work in progress, guys. So next time we'll see. But yeah, that's it, successfully cooked. So we're gonna enjoy some lunch and yeah, stick around for whatever else happens. Oh. So guys,
Life of a daddy.
the life of a daddy. One moment you're cooking fish, and the next minute your baby's crying, so you have to feed him his milk again. Isn't that right, little man? But I love it. He was going and then he was like, oh, milk. Okay. So it's eating time. Paniaga. Isda.
Paniaga. Tinola.
Sabaw. And more isda.
Full storage.
Full storage already? Wow. Full storage on the iPhone, guys. Okay, so that. Oh, I'm messing up the hand eating. Get your fish like that. Make sure there's no bones in it. Dip it into your soy sauce. Mix it in with your rice. Eat with your hand like that. And you have successfully become a Filipino. Filipino ako. Right, that's enough.